Good evening everybody. Today we are going to discuss Henderson's and Hasselbalch equation for pH of acidic buffer. Now consider acidic buffer obtained by mixing weak acid HA and its salt with strong base, that is BA. I mean HA is supposed to be the weak acid and its salt with strong base is nothing but BA. When these two ingredients are mixed, then ultimately acidic buffer is formed. Now HA being weak acid, it is dissociated in feeble manner producing H plus and A minus. But BA being strong electrolyte, it is dissociated completely producing B plus and A minus. Now this is supposed to be 1. If law of mass action is applied to equation 1, that is by applying law of mass action to equation 1, we get dissociation constant for this weak acid. So this can be given as Ka equals to concentration of H plus into concentration of A minus upon concentration of HA. Now concentration of H plus from this can be written as equals to Ka into concentration of HA upon concentration of A minus. Now HA is weak acid, so it almost remain undissociated practically, and A minus ion is one of the ions of salt and salt is strong electrolyte. So ultimately whatever salt taken is represented by A minus, so this can be given as acid, this can be given as salt. So this is written as concentration of H plus equals to Ka into concentration of acid upon concentration of salt. Now if negative logarithm is taken on both sides of this equation, when negative logarithm is taken to above equation, we get, then what we get, negative log of H plus ion to the base 10 equals to negative log of Ka minus log of concentration of acid upon concentration of salt. Now this can be also given as negative log of concentration of H plus is equal to negative log of Ka plus log of concentration of salt upon concentration of acid. Now we know very well that negative logarithm to the base 10 of concentration of H plus is nothing but pH, and negative logarithm to the base 10 of Ka is nothing but pKa. Thus this equation becomes pH is equal to pKa plus log base 10 concentration of salt upon concentration of acid. So this is the Henderson's and Hasselbalch equation for pH of acidic buffer.